said you, why are you going to be in my face?
I want peanuts. She said, who can work? I can do this. I can do this. Even though none else can do this. I can't remember anything, and I hate peanuts, unfortunately. Look at my son. I'm tired of remembering the comments. I do not like one.
Unzip your shirt and say, I like the Packers.
I like the Packers. I don't know. Elephant stereotypes, Scare. Like I said. Be another you. With this. What? What? What'd you say to me? What?
Here, we'll put these over on there.